Welcome to Learning Log Question 4. Here we discuss a Bugatti travelling at 428 kilometers an hour and purchasing a 1/8 scale model and finding out A, how fast this model will travel at a 1/8 scaled speed, and then we'll find out how long it will take this scaled model to travel 16 meters across a room. So firstly, we're going to be looking at the within and between model and finding out its scaled speed kilometers per hour. So first of all, we're going to be looking at the within model. So the within will be looking within the same unit. So for this, on the left-hand side, we've got our 8/8 or our original 1/2 of our 428 kilometers an hour, and we're going to be finding out our 1/8 scale. To do so, we're going to be dividing both sides by our 8. So 8/8 divided by 8 will give us our 1/8 scale. On the right-hand side, we're going to be going 428 kilometers an hour divided by 8 to give us our answer. So for using the within side, we're going to be going 428 divided by 8 will give us 53.5 kilometers an hour. To confirm this, we're going to be using our between. So between will be comparing the two sides, the two different units of measurement. So we're going to be having our 8/8 multiplied by 428 will give us 428 kilometers an hour. Now likewise, we're going to be doing this on the bottom with our 1/8 scale. Multiply that by 428 will give us our unknown. Now this should result in the same answer as before. And it does. 1/8 multiplied by 428 results in 53.5 kilometers an hour. As can be seen, using the within and between will result in the same answer. So therefore, our 1/8 scale Bugatti will travel at 53.5 kilometers an hour. Now the next step is we're going to be converting kilometers an hour into meters per minute. Now as we know, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, so therefore 53.5 kilometers an hour is equal to 53.5 divided by 8, which will result in our 0.891667 kilometers per minute. Now as we also know, 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters, so therefore our 0.891667 kilometers per minute is equal to 0.891667 multiplied by 1,000, resulting in our 891.667 meters per minute. So therefore, 53.5 kilometers an hour is equal to 891.667 meters per minute. Now, if this scale model was to move from one end to the other of a 16-meter classroom at scaled speed, how long would it take? For this, we're going to be using the formula of time is equal to distance over speed. Now our distance for this one is 16 meters as stated, and we've just worked out that our speed is 892 meters per minute. Now 16 over 892 is equal to 0.017937 minutes. Now as that's not easy to say, we're going to be converting that to seconds. Now as we know, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, so what we're going to simply do is multiply that answer by 60, giving us our 1.07623 seconds. Or we can round that up to 1.08 seconds. Therefore, a 1/8 scale model of the Bugatti will travel 16 meters in 1.08 seconds.